How to buy Argo token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go and you will find a referral link or down in the description. You can create an account on MEXC and do it if you want, of course. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, what you need to do after that, so go to MEXC and make sure to log into your account. What you need to do, just go and just copy the token symbol. It's Argo. Type it in search. As you can see, this is our token. So after that, what you need to do, click on limit or market. Is the same. Here you will be able to set how much you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of USD to be able to buy this token. If you click on markets, drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to use it to buy this token. So after that, click on buy Argo and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy Argo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.